Have you ever felt lost? That no matter how hard you try, you can't seem to find peace? We all have moments when our hearts ache, searching for something greater than ourselves. What if I told you that the peace you seek, the strength you long for, has always been there? It has a name. In fact, it has many names. And today, we will uncover 3 of them. 3 divine names of Allah that hold the power to transform your faith and your life. Al-Muhaymin, Al-Aziz, and Al-Jabbar. Al-Muhaymin, the ever-watchful guardian. Imagine a mother watching over her child, protecting them from harm, comforting them in distress. Now, multiply that love, care, and protection by infinity. That is Allah, the one who watches over everything, the one who safeguards your soul, even when you don't realize it. Every breath you take, every hardship you endure, and every tear you shed, Allah sees it all. You are never alone. Even in your darkest moments, He is watching over you, guiding you back to Him. But do we really trust Him? Or do we let fear and doubt cloud our faith? Al-Aziz, the Almighty, power, honor, strength. We seek them in this world, don't we? But true power does not belong to kings or rulers. True strength does not come from wealth or status. It belongs to Al-Aziz. Allah is Al-Aziz, the unconquerable. No force in the universe can overpower Him. Yet He is also the one who grants honor to those who seek Him. If you hold onto His rope, He will raise you when the world tries to break you. And if Allah grants honor, can anyone take it away? Al-Jabbar, the restorer, the compeller. Have you ever felt shattered, like a broken piece of glass, too damaged to be whole again? Al-Jabbar is the one who mends what is broken. When your heart is in pieces, when life feels unfair, when pain seems unbearable, He is the one who restores. He takes your sorrow and replaces it with wisdom. He takes your wounds and heals them in ways you never imagined. And if He can mend the hearts of the broken, what's stopping Him from mending yours? Al-Muhaymin watches over you. Al-Aziz strengthens you. Al-Jabbar heals you. Now ask yourself, isn't this the love you've been searching for all along? If these names of Allah touched your heart, imagine how much more awaits you. Click subscribe now, and let's explore these divine names together, because strengthening your Iman starts here with Imanify.